Did you know? Sometimes the smallest thread can lead you to the biggest dream. Hindi ko rin inakala na ang simpleng trabaho ko noon bilang mananahe na araw-araw humahawak lang ng karayom at sinulid ay magiging daan para marating ko ang buhay na meron ako ngayon. From being a simple seamstress, I became an entrepreneur, learning how to lead, how to manage business partners, and eventually how to step into the digital world with courage and faith. Noon tahimik lang ang buhay ko. Maghapon ako nagtatahi, halos di na makapagpahinga. Each stitch I made felt like a small step towards survival. Pero kahit pagod, lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko, may mararating ka. Don't stop. And that's where everything started to change. I learned that success doesn't happen overnight. It's built from patience, discipline, and believing in yourself even when others don't. Nang pumasok ako sa mundo ng negosyo, I realized leadership isn't about being the boss. It's about lifting others while you rise. I learned to communicate, to trust, and to stand firm even when challenges came my way. At ngayon, I'm part of a digital team, something I never thought I could do before. From sewing clothes to now connecting people online, I discovered a new kind of creativity. Before I created dresses, now I help create dreams and opportunities digitally. My journey taught me one thing, you don't need to start big to dream big. Minsan, kailangan mo lang maniwala na kahit simpleng sinulid, pwedeng maging tulay papunta sa tagumpay. To everyone listening, if I did it, you can do it too. Start where you are, use what you have, and trust the process. Because someday, you'll look back and realize every struggle, every tear, every late night was worth it. I'm Shirley Bautista. Once was a mananahe, now an empowered entrepreneur and digital dreamer. I don't just sew clothes anymore. I weave stories of hope, courage, and transformation. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's this. No dream is too small, and no beginning is too simple. Because the moment you start believing in yourself, that's the moment your life starts to change. So keep stitching your dream, one step, one risk, one prayer at a time. Your masterpiece is on the way.